Okay, here are your notes for September 20th. We're going to be on page 50 in your book. We're going through 4 examples, and all this is just combining functions. We're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing functions. Okay, so example 1, they give you f of x and g of x, and they want you to find f plus g of x, and all that is f of x plus g of x. And so you're writing, you're plugging in 2x plus 1, and you're adding x squared plus 2x minus 1. And when you do that, you combine your terms. X squared's by itself, and the x terms give you 4x, and the plus 1 and negative 1 cancel each other out. So f plus g of x is x squared plus 4x. And then if you have to find f plus g of a number, you're just plugging in that number into the f plus g of x that you just found. So f plus g of 2, we're plugging in a 2 into x squared plus 4x and simplifying it down. 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. You get 12. Example 2 are the same 2 functions, but we're finding the difference. F minus g of x is f of x minus g of x. And so when you subtract, you need to put a parentheses around whatever you're subtracting. That way you don't mess your signs up. So you're distributing a negative to the g of x function, and then combine your terms. You get negative x squared plus 2. And then f minus g of 2, you're just plugging in a 2 into f minus g of x. And so we square the 2, and then the negative's out front, so that'll be a negative 4 plus 2. That gives you negative 2. And then the third one is the product of 2 functions. We're multiplying f times g of x, which is f of x times g of x. And so we're distributing the x squared, and that'll give me x cubed minus 3x squared, and f times g of 4, we're just plugging in a 4 into our answer and simplifying it down. Alright, and then the example 4, they want you to find the quotient, or we're just dividing. Find f divided by g of x, which is f of x divided by g of x. And there's really no work to be done on these when we're dividing. So just leave your answer like that. And they want you to find the domain of the quotient ones. Don't worry about finding the domain. So your assignment is page 56. I want you to do 12 through 32 even. And on 12 through 18, you're doing A, B, C, and D on those. And then on 20 through 32, you're just finding, you're using those 2 functions, f of x and g of x, that they give you to answer those questions. So do page 56, 12 through 32 even.